Here we'll explore how you can use your smartphone to control the camera and take pictures remotely. The SnapBridge app displays the view through the camera lens on your smartphone, letting you shoot self-portrait travel snaps and the like remotely. Tap Remote Photography in the SnapBridge app. The smartphone will show the view through the camera lens. Touch your subject in the display to focus, and lift your finger from the screen to release the shutter. Photos can be viewed on the smartphone. You can also take photos remotely using an optional MLL7 remote control. Used for close-ups of flowers taken using a tripod, or for night scenes or other subjects where blur is a concern or precise framing is required.